Frugality, an often misunderstood term, can be the catalyst for a life-transforming journey. It's not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful and making the most of what you have. So, what is frugality? In essence, it's about value, finding the maximum value in everything around us. A frugal lifestyle is not about deprivation. Rather, it's about making thoughtful decisions, prioritizing needs over wants, and making the most of our resources. Now, why is frugality important? Well, it's the key to achieving financial freedom. By spending less than we earn, we can save more. And those savings, they can be invested, creating passive income streams that could potentially outgrow our active income. Imagine a life where you're not tied to a 9-to-5 job, where you have the freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about your next paycheck. That's the power of frugality. But it's not just about money. Frugality is also about reducing waste. In a world where our natural resources are dwindling, every bit of conservation counts. By choosing to be frugal, we're making a positive impact on the environment. We're reducing our carbon footprint, we're minimizing waste, and we're contributing to a sustainable future. Frugality is also about appreciating the simple things in life. It's about finding joy in a home-cooked meal, in repairing a broken item instead of buying a new one, or in a walk in the park instead of a movie at the theater. It's about recognizing that happiness doesn't come with a price tag. So, how can we embrace frugality? Well, it starts with a shift in mindset. It's about recognizing that more isn't always better, that we don't need to keep up with the Joneses, that we can find joy in simplicity. It's about making conscious choices, about choosing to spend less so we can live more. Embrace frugality, and you'll discover a path to a more sustainable, fulfilling life. Picture this: you're rushing off to work, no time for breakfast, and you end up buying an overpriced sandwich. Now, imagine a different scenario. You wake up, grab a nutritious homemade meal from your fridge, and head out the door. That's the magic of meal prepping. It's not just a trendy hashtag. It's a lifestyle change that can save you both time and money. Consider Jane, a busy professional who was tired of spending too much on takeout. She decided to try meal prepping. Every Sunday, she'd spend a couple of hours in the kitchen, preparing her meals for the week. This small change made a big difference. Not only did she save a significant chunk of change, but she also reduced her food waste. You see, meal prepping is more than just cooking in bulk. It's about planning your meals, shopping smart, and making the most of what you have. With a little planning and some meal prep, you can say goodbye to overpriced sandwiches and hello to savings. Imagine walking into a store, finding a designer item at a fraction of the original cost. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the thrill of thrifting. It's not just about second-hand clothes. You can find furniture, books, and other gems that are just waiting to be discovered. Picture this. A woman walks into her local thrift store, not expecting much. She rummages through the shelves, and her eyes land on a vintage lamp. It looks out of place amidst the ordinary bric-a-brac. She buys it, only to find out later that it's a rare collector's piece worth 10 times what she paid for it. Thrifting is like this. It's a treasure hunt where you're the adventurer. Every visit brings a new surprise, a chance to find something truly unique. Not only does it stretch your dollar, but it also makes shopping an exciting journey of discovery. Remember, thrifting isn't just budget-friendly. It's like a treasure hunt, and you're the adventurer, a busy city dweller, always on the move, constantly spending on cabs and public transport. Imagine this, a friend of yours, let's call her Lucy. Lucy was just like any other city dweller, always rushing and frequently spending on transportation. One day, Lucy decided to make a change. She started walking to her office, which was not too far away. At first, it was a challenge, but soon it became a routine. Not only did she start saving on transportation costs, but she also noticed her health improving. She felt more energetic and even managed to shed a few pounds. Walking or cycling for short distances is an easy way to cut down on daily expenses. Plus, it's an excellent opportunity to appreciate the beauty around you, something we often miss in our fast-paced lives. So why not give it a try? Walk more, spend less, and get fit. It's a win-win situation. Why buy when you can create? The joy of making something with your own hands is unparalleled. In this world of mass production, there's a charm in crafting something unique. DIY or do it yourself is one such avenue. It's not just about home decor or personalized gifts, which, by the way, add a heartwarming touch to any occasion. It's also about making simple repairs around the house, saving both money and a trip to the store. Take, for instance, a friend of mine, Sam. Sam was never a handyman, but when he decided to embrace the DIY lifestyle, he was amazed at the savings. A leaky faucet, a broken picture frame, a worn-out chair, he fixed them all. Not to mention the stunning Christmas decorations he made that left everyone in awe. DIY, it's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. It's about expressing your creativity, learning new skills, and yes, being kind to your wallet. So, why not give it a try? Budgeting, it might sound boring, but it's the secret weapon of every financially successful individual. Picture this: Sarah, a 20-something city dweller, found herself living paycheck to paycheck, her bank account dwindling faster than it replenished. One day, she decided to take control and started a budget. She tracked her expenses, categorized her spending, and identified where she could cut back. Suddenly, Sarah could see where her money was going. Those daily lattes, they added up to a small fortune over a month. That premium cable package she barely used, another unnecessary expense. By making informed decisions about her spending, Sarah transformed her financial life. She was no longer a passive observer, but an active participant in her financial journey. And that's the beauty of budgeting. It's not about depriving yourself, but making conscious decisions about where your money goes. It's about empowerment, control, and ultimately, financial freedom. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting your spending, it's about understanding it. Frugality is not a one-size-fits-all concept, it's a journey, unique to each person. Now, let's take a moment to look back on the journey we've taken together today, revisiting the valuable hacks we've discussed. Remember the power of frugality, the magic of meal prepping, the thrill of thrifting, the wisdom of walking, the art of DIY, and the beauty of budgeting. Each of these practices is more than just a hack. They are ways of life that can lead to significant savings over time. The magic of meal prepping, for instance, is not just about saving money on food, but also about nourishing our bodies with home-cooked, healthy meals. Similarly, the thrill of thrifting is not just about finding cheaper items, but also about giving a second life to pre-loved items and reducing waste. The wisdom of walking speaks to not just our wallets, but also to our health and the environment. Meanwhile, the art of DIY encourages creativity and self-reliance. And the beauty of budgeting helps us gain control over our finances and achieve our financial goals. Remember, these hacks are not rigid rules, but flexible guidelines that can be adapted to suit your lifestyle and needs. You don't have to adopt all of them at once. Start with one or two, and gradually incorporate more as you become comfortable with each new practice. The journey to frugality may seem daunting at first, but with patience and perseverance, it can become an enjoyable and rewarding part of your life. It's about making conscious decisions, valuing what you have, and focusing on long-term financial health over short-term gratification. So, as we wrap up today's journey into the world of frugality, we encourage you to take these hacks to heart, adapt them to your life, and start your own journey towards financial freedom. What's your favorite frugal hack? Share it in the comments below. And remember, every penny saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Check out my next video that YouTube suggests, and I'll see you on the other side.